Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 charging is not working. If you are using Samsung A37, A57 or A17 and you're facing the issue that your phone is not charging or your charging port is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go ahead to your settings. Under settings, go to battery here and go to battery protection. Make sure that you have selected basic from here, so it will allow your phone to charge up to 100%. If you have selected maximum, so it has a battery charge limit. You cannot charge your battery as 100%, so you have to select basic from here. Once you have done, go back, retry. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings, go to software update. Make sure that your software is updated. You might have an independent software update there, because sometimes it might be a software glitch which can be easily fixed by updating your software. Or if you are still facing the same issue after updating your software, so it might be that your charging port is physically damaged or it's not clean. So if you have to check if your charging port is damaged, so you can try to change your charging port. Or if it's not clean, so you can try to clean it by using a needle or a tiny brush. So once you have cleaned your charging port, you can retry it, or you can also check your charger or your charging cable, that your charging cable is not physically damaged, because sometimes it might be that your charger is not working, your phone and your charging port is well, but your charger isn't working, so you cannot charge your phone as well. So by using these methods, you can easily fix if your phone isn't charging. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.